Pallets are loaded onto the PSW001 wrapper with a forklift truck, or, if equipped with the optional unloading ramp, with a manual pallet truck. Place a roll of stretch film on the carriage spindle and feed it through the guide rollers, referring to the instruction decals on the carriage to ensure that this is done correctly. Adjustment of the film tension is made here, turning the knob clockwise to increase the tension. Observe the position of the slot in the indicator needle. When this is in the green zone, the film will be stretched to approximately 165% of its original length. The PSW001 is pre-programmed with two strapping modes. Mode 1 is used for reasonably stable pallet loads and applies 2 layers of film at the base of the pallet. It then continues up the pallet until the top is detected by the sensor and finishes the wrapping with a single layer at the top. Mode 2 is used for greater load stability by applying 3 layers at the base and 2 layers at the top of the pallet. Once the pallet has been loaded in the center of the turntable plate, the loose end of the film is secured and the cycle begins. At the end of the wrapping cycle, the turntable returns to its original orientation and the pallet can be offloaded from the same position.